Todd's new to the channel.
Glad to be here. Kevin's helping me take back the outdoors a little bit, so happy to be on the trip.
Maybe we'll get into that later.
Yeah.
We're in Woodland Caribou Park. Todd's a buddy of mine. Wanted to come on a canoe trip. Conned him into cooking supper while I film him. So we're gonna do 9 nights here and cover 100K or so with the canoe. About 1 million portages, I think we counted.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
13 tomorrow.
Well, 13 tomorrow. Yeah. A lot of work. We got enough food though.
We got enough food.
Packed up, looks like.
Do you have enough booze?
Got enough wine for tonight. Anyway.
I'm gonna try your steak. Sorry I didn't. Your steak looks good, man.
I think it turned out pretty good.
Oh, it's good steak.
Fish tomorrow night.
Yeah. Walleye opener. We're going up to Mexican Hat Lake. I'll show you guys on the map where we're headed. Mexican Hat Lake. Nobody wanted to call it Sombrero Lake for some reason. Mexican Hat Lake has walleye. All these other little wonderful lakes have lake trout. But walleye's on for tomorrow.
Sounds good. I'll eat anything after 13 portages. Honestly.
Good supper, man.
It is good. Oh, it doesn't get much better in this setting, eh? Look at that.
It's amazing. Great little spot. Morning guys, how you doing? First morning in Woodland Caribou Provincial Park. It was very cold last night. Got a little bit of ice in the water bottle. It definitely made it to 0 last night. Todd and I slept pretty well. We stayed up last night tending the campfire, telling stories. And this morning is the first day of walleye season. So we're going to head up to Mexican Hat Lake. It may take us most of the day to get there. And that's a walleye lake, so we're probably going to spend a couple days up there and enjoy that before moving on. Todd!
Yeah!
We better eat before it gets cold.
Let's go! Chow's on?
Chow is on. Refried beans. A little bit of salsa. And I like it hot. That's good. Hey guys, we've stopped at a nice little waterfall to have lunch along our portage route. It is just beautiful here, and we are on the edge of a burn. We're just paddling into a big burn that happened 3 years ago, and looks like the forest is completely decimated. There's burnt trees and rock everywhere you look, but if you look more closely, you'll see lots and lots of young jack pine vegetation coming up. Just look down here. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's soil remaining, trees are trying to grow. And they're coming in really thick actually. And that's how jack pine grow. They grow really thick, they self-thin, and that's what they do. But just look at how much of this is, at first glance, looks like rock and dead trees. And if you look more closely at your feet, you'll always find young jack pine.
Oh my God, fish are jumping right here. We gotta throw a line in.
Check out this pike. He's been attacked by other fish. Bigger pike. He doesn't look very good. Because we're having such a good time along the way, we didn't quite make it to Mexican Hat that first full day. So how is that?
This is amazing, Kevin. Thanks. So Kevin put this together at home. He dehydrated it all, separate packages. Some of it, the beef, green peppers, red peppers, noodles. What kind of noodles are they again? Sobo noodles. Some nice sauces. Beautiful meal. I don't know what else to say about it. It's fantastic. I'm eating like a king here.